20 Best Practices of Power BI in 2024. Power BI has become an essential tool for businesses looking to visualize and analyze their data effectively. However, to truly harness the power of Power BI, it is essential to follow best practices that will help you maximize its potential. Here are the 20 best practices for Power BI in 2024. Stay updated with the latest features. Microsoft regularly releases updates and new features for Power BI. Stay updated with these changes to leverage the latest functionalities and improvements for your data analysis needs. Optimize data models. Create efficient data models by organizing tables and relationships in a logical way. This will improve query performance and enhance the overall usability of your reports. Utilize Direct Query Mode. Direct Query Mode allows you to query data directly from the source in real time. This is particularly useful for large datasets that are constantly changing. Use row-level security. Implement row-level security to restrict access to certain data based on user roles. This ensures data privacy and compliance with organizational policies. Leverage DAX calculations. Learn and master DAX, data analysis expressions, to create powerful calculations and expressions within Power BI. This will help you derive valuable insights from your data. Utilize custom visualizations. Explore and use custom visualizations from the Power BI marketplace to enhance the visual appeal and analytical capabilities of your reports. Schedule data refreshes. Set up a regular schedule for data refreshes to ensure that your reports are always up to date with the latest information. Use bookmarks for interactive reports. Utilize bookmarks to save the state of your report pages and create interactive experiences for your audience. Create mobile-friendly reports. Design reports that are optimized for mobile devices to ensure that users can access and interact with the data on the go. Implement best data security practices. Ensure that your data sources are secure and that sensitive information is handled with proper encryption and access controls. Collaborate with Power BI Service. Use the Power BI service to collaborate with team members, share reports, and work on dashboards together in real time. Monitor performance metrics. Set up performance metrics to track the usage and performance of your reports. This will help you identify areas for improvement and optimization. Utilize AI insights. Leverage Power BI's AI capabilities to uncover hidden patterns and trends in your data, enabling you to make more informed decisions. Opt for Power BI Premium. Consider upgrading to Power BI Premium for advanced features and enhanced performance capabilities, especially for large organizations with complex data needs. Document your reports and dashboards. Maintain documentation for your reports and dashboards to ensure that they are understandable and accessible to other team members. Regularly back up your reports. Back up your Power BI reports and datasets regularly to prevent data loss and ensure business continuity. Optimize report performance. Optimize report performance by simplifying visuals, reducing unnecessary queries, and using appropriate filters to streamline data processing. Use Power Query Editor effectively. Master the Power Query Editor to transform, clean, and shape your data before loading it into Power BI for analysis. Explore Power BI templates. Explore and use pre-built Power BI templates to jumpstart your report creation process and save time on design and layout. Seek training and certification. Invest in training and certification programs to enhance your Power BI skills and stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in data analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, by following these 20 best practices for Power BI in 2024, you can elevate your data analysis capabilities and drive better business insights. Start implementing these practices today and unlock the full potential of Power BI for your organization.